आगे बढ़ेंगे। एक समय था जब बंगाल फिल्म इंडस्ट्री भारतीय फिल्म इंडस्ट्री पर एक तरफा राज करती थी। लेकिन बदलाव के बीच बंगाल फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को न जाने किसकी नजर लगी, अब वो राजनीतिक विवाद में फंस गई है। दरअसल बंगाल की ममता सरकार ने टीएमसी सांसद को सर्वोच्च फिल्म पुरस्कार सौंपा गया है, जिसके बाद बीजेपी से जुड़े कलाकार ममता सरकार से नाराज हो गए हैं। देखिए रिपोर्ट।
Bengal's film industry has always been the cultural zeitgeist of the state's identity. But in the decades since Satyajit Ray and Uttam Kumar, the industry has not just seen a terminal decline, but is now also riddled with charges of favoritism and political partisanship. The latest bone of contention is this award, the Mahanayak Samman, instituted in 2012 in the memory of legendary Bengali actor Uttam Kumar.
তারা পুষ্পার্ঘ্য প্রদান করছেন মহানায়কের প্রতিকৃতিতে। নচিকেতা চক্রবর্তী।
In the last few years, it has been awarded to Tollywood stars Nachiket Chakraborty.
ভালো আছি অ্যালবাম প্রকাশের পর আমরা তাকে প্রথম সেভাবে পেলাম।
Shayantika Banerjee, Soham Chakraborty, June Malia and Nusrat Jahan. Notice anything else common among them? Well, they're all TMC leaders.
নচিকেতাকে আমি সবসময় বলি নাচি নাচি।
Cine stars not from the Trinamool Congress but also affiliated with the Bharatiya Janata Party claim that the award is actually a reward for either campaigning for the TMC or being silent on the atrocities committed by their cadre.
3-4 सालों में मैंने only 3-4 फिल्म्स किए हैं. Just because of all my directors and producers friend, they are in fear factor. If they choose me, if they cast me, the face of Bhajpa, BJP support and BJP leaders, whatever you can say, their job also will be in danger.
You can consider the case of Rudranil Ghosh, a world-class actor. I have seen lot of films. Like, I am a great admirer of Rudranil Ghosh. I have seen films like Chaplin. Recently, there has been a movie with Ajay Devgan, like that's Maidan. Wonderful performance by Rudranil Ghosh, but the government does not consider him to be a quality actor or a person who is to be awarded with such awards, just because he is not allied with the Trinamool Congress.
Understandable that she will only select, or her team will only select people who are more close to her or should be seen getting the awards.
But TMC leaders point out that actors such as Rupa Ganguly are offered because of their quality of work, not their political affiliations. There are A-list actors who continue to bag big projects and win accolades despite being unaffiliated to any party.
Parambrata Chatterjee, one of the best actors of Tollywood. He is not a member of Trinamool Congress. Is he not getting job? Anirban, fantastic actor. I am his big fan. He does not belong to Trinamool Congress. Is he not getting a job? The biggest name of them all, Prosenjit Chatterjee, Bumbada, our very favorite Bumbada. Is he not getting jobs? Is he not getting movies? He's still doing a movie now. When BJP points fingers at Trinamool Congress, BJP also should understand that they have actors like Kangana Ranaut sitting in the parliament, they have actors like Hema Malini sitting in the parliament, they have actors like Arun Govil sitting in the parliament. Then what is that?